provider, you know how important it is to showcase your skills, services, and products to your customers. But managing your business operations, scheduling appointments, and invoicing clients can be a real headache. That's why we're excited to introduce you to Quickmechs, a new tool that will change the way you run your business. With the auto service provider ecosystem, you'll have all the tools you need to showcase your business, manage your operations, and connect with customers, all in one powerful application. Here's how it works. You'll start by creating your business profile where you can showcase your skills, services, and products to potential customers. You can add photos, descriptions, and even videos to really bring your business to life. From there, you can use the ecosystem's scheduling and booking tools to manage appointments and send reminders to customers. And because Quickmechs is cloud-based, you can access it from anywhere, on any device, whether you're in the shop, on the go, or at home. With Quickmechs, you'll have everything you need to take your business to the next level. So why wait? Sign up today and start showcasing your skills, services, and products to the world. We hope you found this video informative and exciting. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and automotive industry information. Thanks for watching.